Hi, good morning. Uh, Let us start with a basic discussion on various details of uh, Oracle database. How is it evolved? How is it grown? What is new in Oracle database? First of all, there were days earlier where 8i, 9i, 10G, 11G, and 12C were used. But today, one of the most adopted databases is Oracle 19C database. It has numerous features which makes it special and almost high performance oriented as compared to the previous versions. There are some new additions in its architecture, in its database PLSQL side, which makes it special. Some basic features like packaging, subprogram, submodule calling, like functions and procedures, as well as use of materialized views, fast and complete refresh materialized views, uh, and also a lot of triggers which are in place like row level, statement level, before and after instead of triggers are quite powerful tools in itself. But some features which are unique to earlier database forms, and also this form is collection. Collections are very heavily built. I shouldn't say probably heavily built, but I should say very grandly built because it is very serious business when we talk about collections. Because the most important thing that it does is reduces the time taken to run a program. Sometimes there are millions of records in a given database table, and it is gigantic effort to use for statement to go through each and every one. But with the evolution of collections, it has put an end to the limitations on optimizer, and we use numerous features like explicit cursors, fetch, bulk collect into collection names, and limit to ensure that we reduce the burden on the Oracle engine. So basically, what happens is when you have millions of records and you have a collection size of 10,000, then it reduces the stress and the burden on the collection itself. And these collections don't occupy any memory space after the execution of the program, and hence help in running the program very effectively in an optimized manner. Especially it is used in performance critical code. This is some unique feature which 19C also has, but an added benefit of 19C is its multi-tenant architecture also, which applies different features of CDB and PDB in a very useful manner, with some concepts like sharding, which are taken care of by the DBAs. PLSQL development also has some new additions, especially when it comes to some important aspects of programming like creation of objects, creation of member functions, and creation of this ADT, which is actually abstract data types. This is very useful in ensuring that capabilities are multiplied or amplified through use of functions within objects which are part of columns of tables. So this makes sure that even a user, an independent user who hardly knows anything about PLSQL can extract data very fast, very easily with multiple calculations which are used inside the member functions. As you know, submodules a very important role in PLSQL. So packaging is also very important aspect of PLSQL in 19C. We also have numerous other features like AWR, which is automatic workload report, and also we have DBMS profile, which encapsulates the entire girth of 19C, apart from numerous features, collections, and basic programming involving different features of various submodules. Thank you. I hope you got the best of me.